here there is one very, very important point you should aware, man. In the court, the arguments should be based on the logic, based on the proofs. Correct, right? The person who is going to show the proof, that person is always going to win in the court. Do you have any proof? Okay, yes, this is the evidence. This is the proof. Like the lawyers are going to submit. The persons where evidences are good, proofs are good, that person is always going to win the argument. Correct, right? In the court.
Yes,
But
sir.
in normal day-to-day life, the arguments are not based on the proofs. The arguments are not based on the argument winning is not based on the evidences. The arguments are associated with ego. The arguments are associated with our emotions, like ego, self-respect, these kind of things are there. Suppose you are going on the bike, opposite person, so there is a small hitting happen. This person is going to argue like anything. Even though you did the mistake, but still, we should not be silent. We should, otherwise that person is going to stand on our head. Like the people are going to argue. Or clearly there is a mistake from your side, or your person only did the mistake, but still you are going to provide support for your person only. How many times it's happened? You know that your person did the mistake, but are you going to support your person, or are you going to support opposite person?
Our
Why? Proof, evidence, all those things according to opposite person favor only, but still you are always going to support your brother only. You are always going to support your friend only. Yeah, the evidence, proof, logic, these kind of things are not going to work in the normal arguments, day-to-day life arguments. Always with emotions only, with the self-respect, ego, these kind of things are going to play the role like anything in the arguments. Remember that, not proofs kind of thing. Even you are showing the proof also, the opposite person won't accept. The opposite person won't accept, won't accept. What is the reason for that? Is simple reason. Simple reason. Their ego is going to be hurted. Their self-respect is going to be hurted. Okay.